to a little special unboxing. Well, kind of, because these are not albums, these are actually soaps. For Nature Republic's EXO-K and EXO-M, I actually bought both of them. And if you all saw my photo card collection, y'all saw the postcards that came with it. They actually they actually gave me 2 sets each. So I have a set in my photo card collection and a set in here, just in case you didn't watch my photo card collection, which I suggest you do, because there's a lot of stuff. So let's just start. I'm not going to keep them both on this table because my table is really small. So I'm just going to move one. I'm going to start with EXO-M first because I honestly think they smell. I like EXO-M, their smell of bar soap, and they smell really good. So let me get this and put it here. Hopefully it won't fall. Okay, so let's start with EXO-M. And we're gonna open the box. To the side of the box. This smells pretty good. It's like a mixture. Okay, just don't breathe it. Just don't breathe it in, because you're gonna choke to death. So you open the box first, and it comes in the Nature Republic envelope thing. And these are the soaps. And since there was only 5 members when this came out, we also have a group soap. That don't really smell very good. I don't use the soap. I mean, if like it was like a disaster and that was the only thing that, you know, was out there, then I would. Let's zoom in. Towel. They, you know, I mean, they, of course, it's gonna smell like leafy, you know, like if you outside. So yeah, so they're all gonna smell like, you know, you're outside. And they have backs, but it's just the cool sayings on them, I guess. And my nose is stuffed up, so that's probably why I probably smell grass. I think lace smells the best, but that's just my opinion. And then, let's see. Yep, it's just regular soap, and it says Nature Republic on the back. It's just the back. So yeah. So, oh no, let's keep this here. And we're just going to put this in front. So let's take all these out. I like that they come with protector things because I keep them. I keep the protectors because, you know, they have these little, they have these little things on them, and it also keeps them like in shape and you know, new. They keep them new looking. So this is the first one. And then chin. And I also ordered their hand lotion as well, so I will be unboxing that too. So that was the unboxing for the EXO-M version of the Nature Republic. And so now, oh yeah, and it also has like the little shine. I like it on the box. So now we're gonna start with Nature Republic EXO-K. And we're gonna go the same way. Oh, don't. Okay. And also has that same shine on the inside, just like nothing. Oh, God. Okay, maybe not. So there they are, and the same thing. So chill. Yeah. Oh, come on, focus, focus, focus right now. Let's see if focus. Oh my goodness, what is wrong with this camera? There we go. Okay, now the back. Okay. Sorry for technical difficulties. Ooh. And of course, same way. Yeah. And also, since I'm here, I'm just going to ask a question and see if you guys would like to see it. I actually got a bunch of Super Junior Star cards. I added them into my photo card collection. Now, what I could do is update my photo card collection once a month, because I've noticed that I've grown a lot since the last photo card collection. So I don't know what to do. So, or do you want just to see the star cards? Because I did put them in my photo books separate. Like, I didn't put them in with the rest of them. So yeah, just want to ask a little question, you know, because I'm still new to this world of YouTube. And so these are basically packaged the same way, sealed, you know, covered. So in the back. Oh my god, begin. It's night. I'm trying to get all these videos done so I can just, you know, upload them. Okay, and there you go. There you go, okay. Okay, I wanna thank you guys so much for watching, and being patient with me during my little struggle. And like, comment, subscribe, do what you gotta do, and dislike it if you don't like it. And what else I gotta say? Well, that's it. I will see you guys later, or the next unboxing, or whenever, you know, we get a chance to talk or whatever. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm gonna end this. Bye.